name is Eagan Junior Ongojo. I'm from Kenya. I work with the Chester collection. I took a course here for admin, and I must say it was quite amazing. The learning process was great. It was quite intuitive, and I really enjoyed the class sessions. And from that to the exams, from the preparations, you're given ample time, and I'm very grateful to Blue Ocean Academy. And I'd like to urge anybody out there who feels like they want to take a course that is stimulative and has stimulative lecturers and tutors, please, I'd encourage you to come and be part of the Blue Ocean Academy, because there's nothing better than this. I couldn't put it in any other better ways. Stay tuned.